Hello, Mr. Mailer here, your online math teacher. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be continuing my video series on Excel tips. So if you find this video helpful, consider hitting the like button, subscribing, and let's go. So what I'm interested in today is finding the quartiles of a data set. So I have my heights listed here. So I want to find the quartiles. So as always with Excel, if we want to find a quartile or use any function, you want to click on the cell that you're going to and you want the value to be entered into, and I need to hit equals. Equals is going to tell Excel I want to use a function. Now, just like many of the other things, I'm going to start typing quartile and it's going to have some recommendations for me. So I see three reasonable values. Quartile.EXC, Quartile.INC, and an older one that's you're not going to worry about. So the two things that you want to debate between, do we want exclusive or inclusive? Well, we are going to use the exclusive one. And that's because the way most of your teachers probably teach you quartiles, if you want to go find the quartile by hand and the median is in the data set, you're going to exclude the median from being in either the upper or lower half of the data. So you're going to use the exclusive one. So I'm going to do .exe. The first thing you need to put in is your array. So where's your data? So the array is from A2 to A12 for me. So I clicked and dragged, or you could type that in. And then you put a comma, and you need to tell what quartile do you want. And we're going to take the first quartile here, so roughly the 25th percentile. So I'll just type 1. I'll close it with a parenthesis, hit enter, and I get my value. I repeat the exact same thing for third quartile, equals quart. I want the exclusive quartile. I want to enter my array, so I'll do it by hand this time. A2 colon A12 is where my data is. This is the array, so make sure you use a colon to get that full array. But now I'm going to put a comma, and I want the third quartile, so I'm going to type 3. And I'm going to hit close parenthesis, hit enter. And these are my values. If you had done it incorrectly, and you did the INC, the inclusive one, it's going to look exactly the same. So A2 to A12, comma, and I'll do, say, 1. But it will give you different values. So you want to try to make sure you're being specific in which one you want. I have my students always do the exclusive one. You might have a different teacher that wants something different. You'll have to talk to them. But in the grand scheme of things, especially for large data sets, these two numbers are going to be very, very similar, and it won't make much of a difference. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider hitting the like button, subscribing, and have an awesome day.